walking down the street like an alien. They say time will heal, but I don't have patience. You packed your things, now we
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Allison, and today we are going to be doing a clean with me as well as a decorate with me for fall. So I am definitely a person who is obsessed with fall. It is my favorite season, and I could not wait to start decorating and getting everything together for fall. So I did it quite early this year. It is mid-August, and I already have my fall decorations out, but as you will see, I am a minimalist when it comes to certain decorations, so it's nothing crazy, but yeah, we are already decorated for fall. So starting out as usual in my kitchen, generally when I go to like clean my house, I tend to start in the kitchen. It just like tends to be the area that catches the most, like it's the catch-all place, my table, my countertops. I get a lot of crud on them in terms of like just leaving stuff there or dishes or whatever. So this is where I generally like to start out. And I'm starting off with my dishes. If you guys have been following me for a little while or have watched any other videos, y'all know my dishes go crazy. Like I will have no dishes and then the next day it will be full again and I don't even know what happened. Like I don't even know how this happens, but apparently we make a lot of dishes. So I'm starting off by doing my dishes and fitting everything I can into the dishwasher and then hand washing the rest.
'Cause I'm still in love. I can't deal with this aching. I can't deal with this aching. I can't deal with this aching. No, I can't. No, I can't. 'Cause I'm still in love. Still in love. I'm still in love. Still in love. I'm still in love. I'm still in love. I'm still in love. I'm still in love with you, boy. Last night we had something. Tonight I'll be kissing. But I don't really have a case. You don't have to mention. You just like their attention. It's written all over your face.
So now I'm gonna go in and wipe down my countertops. So this is actually the next day because my camera simultaneously died and overheated all around the same time when I was doing my dishes because it took me so long. So I had to wait until the next day to kind of start again. So I'm going in with the new Acorn Spice Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray. This is one of the new fall scents, which I will talk about later in the video. And I'm just using that to wipe down my countertops. I wipe down this little stand that I keep my soaps on because it gets pretty cruddy pretty fast, obviously, from all the water just chilling there and any soap scum and all that kind of stuff that gets on there. And then after that, I'm gonna go in and wipe down my stove as well. And I'm gonna go in with the Mrs. Meyer's cream cleaner to clean the top of the my cooktop. And I use like a wet little, I don't even know what you'd call it. There's like this basically a special brush that they make just for like cooktop cleaning. And I use that in conjunction with a little water and the Mrs. Meyer's cream cleaner to clean off my cooktop. And then I just wipe it down with a wet paper towel. And then I wipe it down again with my multi-surface cleaner.
Just to keep your image intact. If you think that strategy's smart, I'm not gonna defend my beating heart.
Next, I'm moving on to wiping down all my stainless steel appliances, and I'm using the Method Steel For Real cleaner. This stuff is just okay for me. I feel like it does leave some streaks, so it's not the best steel cleaner I've ever used, but it's like all right. Once this runs out, I'm going to try to find something new. I used to use the Wyman stainless steel wipes, which again were also like all right. Neither of them are my favorite though, so I'll probably try something completely different once this runs out. So next I'm moving on to my little dining room area here. This is another thing that tends to collect a lot of random crap very quickly also. So I'm just moving off all the random stuff, all the toys and anything else. And then I'm wiping off the table with the same Mrs. Meyer's spray I've been using throughout the video. And then I'm going to work on my floors. I'm using the small nozzle attachment to get all the food and stuff from underneath my table. Underneath these little legs, the regular like vacuum head doesn't get all that stuff, so there's like stuff that'll collect right underneath. So that's why I just go in with a little nozzle head, and then I'm just using the regular brush roll head to vacuum the rest of the dining room as well as the kitchen. And then I will go back in with the little nozzle head to go right around the baseboards all around the kitchen and dining room to get any other little things that this didn't pick up or that the regular head couldn't get like close enough. I also do go a little bit underneath the oven and under the fridge.
Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night, oh, searching after miracles, oh yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night.
Now I'm gonna go in and mop. The kitchen and dining room desperately needed to be mopped. So I'm using my O-Cedar spin mop, which I really, really, really love. I bought it because every mom on YouTube uses it, and I totally know why. Like, it is very, very good at getting up stuff that my old mops never used to be able to get off. So I'm using that with the Pledge Floor Care Floor Cleaner. I think that's what it's called. It's the rain shower scent, and I'm obsessed with that. So this is what I use on my regular like vinyl flooring and everywhere that's not my wood floors. Okay guys, really quick, I wanted to show you the new like fall stuff I got. I do have some fall decorations that like I had from years past. So I'm gonna get all that stuff out eventually too. But this is just the newest stuff I got. Hi, yeah. This is just the newest stuff I got today. So I just want to show you what that is. Sorry if you hear Lily in the background. As soon as I talk, she wants to talk. So I got the new Acorn Spice multi-surface spray. Obviously, I already showed that in the video. It smells amazing. Very fall. I love that so far. And then I got the new apple cider. I don't know if they've ever come out with the apple cider before, but I got the apple cider dish soap also. So I'm gonna switch that out. I know I'm like super early, but I'm so excited for fall that I kind of don't care. This soap smells amazing. Oh my God, it literally smells like apple cider. I'm a sucker for anything apple, and during fall, scents that have apple in them are my favorite kind of scent. So I love that they have this. And then I got a couple things from Hobby Lobby, decoration wise. So I got just a bag. It's got 3 each of these random kind of pumpkins, green, tan, and orange. So I figure I'm just gonna sort of like put these randomly around the house just for shiggles. Anywhere I wanna add like a pop of it looks like fall, I'll just put those. I got some of these beautiful flowers that I'm gonna put in my mantle. If you guys watched one of my last videos, I showed you how I got that kind of, I think it was actually my last video, that green kind of garland that's just sort of a really basic leaf. It's just a really basic leaf. I got that with the intention, like I said in the video, of just adding things to that based on the season so that I wouldn't have to buy like a new garland every season. I could just get other little add-ons. So I got these 5 flowers. I got 3 of this sort of, it's like a blushy tan color. Yeah, Wawa. And then 2 of this really deep purple cranberry color. I then just got this cotton wreath. So this is technically supposed to be, you put a candle in the middle, but it's okay. I'm gonna use it as like a little mini wreath somewhere, probably on the mantle also. So I got this burlap bow that I'm probably gonna put either on my front door, or I have this old barn door that I got from my grandparents' old barn. And I wanna maybe paint like welcome on the front of it. I'll show you guys probably eventually. But if I end up doing that, I'll put this sort of like at the top of the door of that barn door. So I don't know, that's still sort of in limbo. And then I got this sign. It's so basic, so like typical with the gather, you know, so silly. But it was cute, and I think with the discount, let me see, with the discount, this sign was only $7.19. Yeah. So $7 can't beat it. It's super cute. So yeah, I will probably put that, I think maybe here in the kitchen maybe, because it's that white and black vibe that I have in the kitchen. So yeah, I'll probably put that in here. And yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do next. I'm just gonna kind of start decorating the kitchen. And then after that, we can go through and like, I'll still finish cleaning up the rest of the house and then decorating in the rest of the house also. I watch a lot of moms on YouTube that do the exact same thing I do. I am just starting to put these decorations up, and I am the type of person who I have to like, I put it up and then I move it and then I move something else and basically just move it a million times until it looks the way I want it to. So that's what I'm doing here to get this to look the way I want it to.
So many things that I still don't know. It's time for me to move on. I want you right here, but you're all across the globe. Never call me back, even though you're on your phone. Wishful thinking gets the best of me. Hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine.
So now for my upstairs living room area, I'm just going to do the floor and vacuum it up. If you see here, I saw a giant spider over there on the baseboard, so I killed that really quickly. And then I'm just vacuuming this whole entire room before I start adding my decorations.
I do not wanna give you more of my life. I'm all in with my mind. Will you ever call me back? How am I supposed to go if we never said goodbye? Reading through our convo, trying to find where it went wrong. Baby, I'll be fine if you text me one last time. Wishful thinking gets the worst of me. Hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong.
Okay guys, so there we are. I really like that. You know, I will say, I'm not the best decorator. That's not to say that, I mean, obviously, you know, I've made my house look pretty nice, but like, it doesn't come naturally to me. Like, I feel like some people can just like see things and arrange things and it looks so nice, like a decorator did it, you know, like a professional. That's not me. Like, I have to try really hard and move things around a lot to get it to feel like it looks right, you know what I'm saying? So I'm pretty proud of myself for that because I kind of like that, except I'm gonna switch to flowers real quick. Yeah, okay, I think I like that better. But yeah, I really like the way that turned out actually. That's kind of super cute. So, next I'm gonna do the couch because I did end up getting some more pillows. Finally, I found some pillows I liked for the couch to, you know, jazz it up a little bit. So let's do that now. All right, so for my pillows, I did just end up getting this 2-pack of white ones. I got these at TJ Maxx. So these were on sale at TJ Maxx. It was 2 for $12, I think. So that was a really, really good deal. And then I also found this one at TJ Maxx. It's like a dark green with like this taupey tan kind of border around it. I like this because it ties in the green in the room like I was saying I wanted to do in one of my last videos. But it's not like, I don't know, I still like it. It's not like too crazy green. And then obviously this taupey color ties into a lot of other stuff in the room as well.
Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own.
All right, guys, so there is what the pillows look like. I really like it. It's not over the top. It's very subtly green, and I think it really ties in the decorations really well on the mantle. So the last place I want to decorate in here is I want to clean up and decorate on top of my little dresser I have back there.
We don't make sense. Do I ever let go? Let go of the days I wish we had. Stop crying over things I can't take back. Not yet. Do I ever forget?
I know what you guys are thinking. You're probably thinking, nothing much really changed except you added pumpkins. That is literally exactly what I wanted to do for the most part of my house for fall, is just add splashes, which basically means I add pumpkins everywhere and like burn very fall flavored candles. I don't like to go ham and go crazy and spend a lot of money on a ton of new decorations and like take things off the walls and all that stuff. I feel like all my decorations for the most part are very like neutral. And then like I said, kind of like with the mantle, just add in some pops for each different holiday. So that way I don't have to buy too much for each holiday. And once the season changes, it's literally a matter of like, I'm gonna take off these pumpkins and put up there like, I don't know, a little Santa Claus or something. You know what I'm saying? Like that is exactly what I'm going for with this. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I really just mainly decorate for the seasons my main living area, like upstairs where, you know, someone would come in, but I don't like decorate, you know, my room or Lily's room or, you know, the basement or something because I mean, I just don't do that. I just kind of do it in the main common areas of the house. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Oh no. I once felt I'm done with the defense.